Desi, you mean this is gluten-free and low carb and no sugar was used in making it? Yet it's sweet and delicious and flavorful, and the crust looks really good. Huh. How did you achieve this? Very easy. Just follow along. For the step-by-step, just watch the video. And at the end of the video, I will also share one more baking secret of mine. And here are the ingredients for this gluten-free, sugar-free, low-carb pumpkin pie. As you can tell, ingredients are very important when it comes to a healthy yet tasty pumpkin pie. I chose organic, but you don't have to. I've taken out the refrigerated ingredients so they can reach room temperature before we start baking. We'll begin with making our pie filling. We will whisk 2 eggs. Now that the eggs have been beaten really well, we will add the pumpkin, about half of this, about 15 ounces. I think that's about half. We will pour the maple syrup. It has been stored at room temperature for a while. We will add the spices. I do like a lot of spice. Nutmeg. That is good. Okay, a pinch of salt. We'll incorporate it. Stir a little bit to help it along the way. Tends to gather in the bottom. It's looking good though. We'll make sure everything's well blended. Okay, there we go. Scrape the sides again. And at this point, I will add the slightly warm milk a little bit at a time. Scrape the sides at the bottom again. It's looking good. I think this is done. We are going to set it aside and work on making our crust. For crust, we have 1 cup of almond flour, 1 cup of coconut flour. I need more here. Okay, pinch of salt. That's all it takes. And we have the melted butter. All right. I'm going to mix this. Scrape the sides. It's looking good. Mix it a little bit more. Then we'll add the pre-beaten egg. Looking good. Oh, wasting ingredients left and right. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to put this in our pie plate. And form the crust. Okay. It's nice to work with. Putting it in the oven at 375 degrees for 10 minutes. Now our crust looks great. What we'll do, we shall put it on top of a cookie sheet, and we are going to bake the rest of the pie like that. Now we will pour the filling sprinkle with a little bit of cinnamon. Put these guards to protect the crust. Okay, good enough. And we put it back in the oven. Bake. Let's check on a pie. This pie looks pretty good to me. We'll let it set, cool off and set on a wire rack. Here's a pie already baked, looking great. Set it on a wire rack to cool off for about a couple of hours before we can cut it and serve it. This deliciousness is done. It's completely cooled off now. I tried to slice it. It slices great. The crust is not overbaked. We got a little bit of a crater going on here, but that happened after it cooled off for a while, as it sits and cooks while it's cooling off as well. The taste is great. Texture seems okay, but let's give it a try. Ready? It tastes great. I taste the pumpkin spice. They're blending in, they're coming out. The maple syrup gives it sweetness, but it's not too sweet. I like that. I have some whipping cream that I've whipped with some more maple syrup, so let's try that. Perfect. Yeah, If you liked watching the step-by-step of this recipe, please like my video. When you make this recipe, please let me know in the comments how it turned out for you, okay? For more recipes about baking with pumpkin, check out my pumpkin bread recipe or check out my pumpkin eggnog decadent pie recipe or my pumpkin pizza recipe. And now it's time for me to reveal my secret tip. Bake only with unsalted butter. Why? Because salted butter causes cookies and pie crust to stick to the bottom of the pan, and that's no good. Plus, extra saltiness will require more sugar. Who needs more sugar and more salt? And the taste gets kind of out of hand. Unsalted butter, using unsalted butter in your baking will put you in control of the saltiness of it or the taste of it. So use unsalted butter, and there you have it. For more of Desi Van Etten's family favorite recipes, subscribe to this channel. Blessed are those who bake and cook for others. Love ya!